If you preparing POLYCET entrance exam, crack POLYCET in 30 days, hear the secret. So we will discuss the some important questions about the trigonometric chapter. So let's solve the step by steps. We will discuss the first question. So in exam point of view, so here is the first question. Tan theta is equal to root 3, then the value of secant theta is what? So here the four options are given. So how to find out in simple way? So I will give the easy trick. So here the tan theta is equal to root 3. So we know the trigonometric ratios values. So tan theta is equal to, here this root 3, whenever in the tan ratio value is tan 60 degrees. So here remove the tan both sides, theta is equal to 60 degrees. Theta is equal to 6. So you want here secant theta. Secant theta is equal to, so secant 60 degrees. So our answer is 2. Why? Because here the cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So then secant 60 value is reciprocal of this one, 2 by 1. So that's why option 2 is the right answer. The second question, most important question, the value of tan 10 degrees into tan 15 degrees into tan 75 degrees into tan 80 is what? Here the four options are given. So I will give simple trick, this one. So tan 10 into tan 15 into tan 75 into tan 80. So one formula is there, tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is 1. Okay, we will write in the form of this one. See, observe here, tan 10 degrees into tan 90 minus 10 degrees. Tan 90 minus 10 degrees, this one. These two over. And the same way, this value is 1. Tan 15 degrees into tan 75 degrees. How it is right? Tan 90 minus 15 degrees. Get 75. So this value also 1. So you will write this value 1 into 1. You will get the answer 1. So option C is the right answer. So this is the most important question in examination point of view. Find the value of cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 30 degrees into sin 54 degrees. One formula is there, that is cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B, that is equal to cos of A plus B is the form. So which is in the form of here left hand side, compare these two. So here A is equal to 36, here B is equal to 54 degrees. Compare these two, then we will find out this one, that is cos A plus B means cos 36 plus 54 degrees, then cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 value is 0. This is our answer. So option B is correct answer. So this is the most interesting question, fourth question. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to k, then find secant theta minus tan theta is equal to what? There are four options. See, it look like a similar options are there. So here how to find out this one? So if you will see this question, one identity is there, trigonometric identity, that is secant theta minus secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is the identity. So how it will be right? This is a square minus b square form. It will be right a plus b into a minus b. So then it is right secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Here given secant theta plus tan theta is equal to k into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. This k transpose to this side, secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by k. So this is our answer. Here the secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by k. So option B is the correct answer. So if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.